not the most fancied option for the Rhinos. And once again, this whole field change thing is just getting a little ridiculous now. Come on. You ought to know where your people should stand when you were... What were you doing when you're having water at the end of the 10th over? Could have discussed your field then. Come on, Vishal. Time is a factor. Karthik's being very patient. I think we finally have it set now. Two men in the circle behind square on the off for the cut. He needs to keep it outside off. Oh, it was too short. Duggan. Not bowled with any sense of timing, but that's why I say Karthik, particularly Rohan, doesn't inspire. I mean, they've been doing it well because the bowling hasn't been sharp, but Bulldozers fan, I'd still be on eggshells.
If I was a Bulldozers fan, I'd be sitting comfortably. There you go. I mean, that's another example because I don't need to do anything as a Bulldozer player. The Chennai Rhinos are doing all the job for me, all the work. Misfields, wides, not applying enough pressure when they should.
Well, in this case, the skipper can't say anything because this is exactly what happened to him a couple of overs ago. Went through the legs and I think he conceded only one then, two this time. Vishal, you did exactly the same thing. Take it easy now.
That's a boundary for Karnataka Bulldozers.
Well, no communication between the players there. I don't mean to be harsh, I don't mean to be severe, but it's a bit shambolic out there for the Chennai Rhinos.
Let's take a look at this. Two men. The ball was hitting the gap. Rishi was the one who was quicker. And then, what was it? Was it yours, mine, who, what, where? It seemed like a despairing dive in the end. It was, of course, sure, he said.
And what's baffling, Charu, is that they were well on top. 34 for 3. Rajiv back in the hut. Bhaskar back in the hut. Everything going their way. And they suddenly lose the plot.
Lovely ball.
What that has done is allowed the Bulldozers to catch up with the Chennai Rhinos, who were also 83 for 2 at exactly the same point. Of course, they had a wicket less. This is 83 for 3, but still, scores matched.
There you see, that's the 50-run partnership coming of just 34 balls. And tell me, Charu, can you remember an outstanding shot in this partnership?
Between Karthik and Dhruva.
I'm afraid not. They've just utilized the bad balls. A few full tosses, a few drifting down leg. Some misfielding as well. Oh, crashed. How well did he hit that? 2-1. Talk about an outstanding shot. That one right there. Well played. The ball was short. Did he hit it well? 11 gone, 88 for 3.
All excitement in the dugout. Boundary for Karnataka Bulldozers.
One, if contact